how to enable double tap motion to turn on or turn off screen on your Android. It's a really handy feature that lets you use your phone without pressing the power button every time. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Next, tap Motions and Gestures. Here, you'll find the option called Double Tap to Turn On Screen. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on if you want to turn on your phone by double tapping the screen. If your Android support, you'll find the option called Double Tap to Turn Off Screen. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off if you want to turn off your phone by double tapping the screen. Once you've enabled Double Tap to Turn On Screen and Double Tap to Turn Off Screen, lock your phone and then double tap the screen. Your display should turn on and off, and you can unlock it using your PIN, pattern, password, or fingerprint if you set one up. That's it! You've successfully enabled Double Tap to turn on and off on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.